How to turn off follow requests on Instagram. So first, go over to your profile at the bottom right corner and go ahead and click on setting icon and then click on privacy and security. So at the very top, you will see this account privacy option. If you have a private account, if this is ticked on right here, then that means you'll get a follow request, and anyone who wants to follow you will have to send you a request first. So only the followers you approve will be able to see what you share, including your photos, videos on hashtag and location pages, and your followers and following list. So if you turn this off, then people who want to follow you will be able to follow you directly and you won't get any follow requests. So your profile and post can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account. So if you want to keep your account private, go ahead and tick this on. If you want anyone to be able to follow you, you can just leave this unticked.